Welcome to alikare.com. This is Alikare, and I'm here to introduce to you Alikare online fashion and accessories. Now we are here to introduce some new features like my wallet, my ticket, and how my wallet help you. Also, we have spin wheel right down here. How does that help you? When you spin the wheel, you have a chance to win a discount. All you have to do right here is put in your name, your email address, and have a chance to win 5% off. Here it said not lucky, 10% off, not lucky, 15% off, and so on. And then all you have to do is just put in your name. What will happen, a coupon will go to your email that you use to sign up here. Okay, and then my wallet, what my wallet's for. My wallet, when you introduce somebody to the site, you get a cashback. When somebody new sign up, they get $5 to their wallet. So if it's your first time shopping with us, you will get $5. Plus you can go along and spin the wheel for extra discount. So by the time you're supposed to shop, you won't have anything to worry about. You will actually pay less than you think. My ticket is also here for the privacy policy. If you want a refund request form, support ticket, that's if you want to talk to us about something, maybe our items, anything that you want to talk to us, we are reachable. We also have an email address at the top here and a phone number that you can get us on WhatsApp. You can also get us by text message, and you can also call us, right? And this is my account. So you can go to my account, your order. So let's go to my account and see how does that look. Okay, so when you go to my account, you'll be able to log in right here. Because I'm not logging, it's showing me some of the things. So let me log in with an email address and see what will happen here. Some of the features that will come up. And as you can see, my wallet has no money. It basically forcing me to register, so I'm gonna do it right here. It's already strong and weak. Try and remember your password, because you want to enter back for your benefits. You don't want to change the password every time you keep coming on, because then your benefits that you have will go away. So I'm just going to click register right here. As you can see, I didn't have any money in my wallet, and this is what would happen for you. So now guys, you see I just enter my new email here and my password. Okay, and here I am now deposited $5. So just to sign up with us guys, we give you $5 to your account. See, you now have $5. Once you go to check out your item, this will also deducted from your balance. When you also finish shop, we will also give you points. So every time you shop with us, we will give you points. If you register with us, meaning if you subscribe to our newsletter, we also give you a point. Won't tell you how much, but you can expect something. And if you refer somebody, you can expect something. Just email us with the ticket system right here and let us know that you are recommending this person. Send your email address. As soon as the person registers to the site, we will contribute something to your wallet and you can use that to shop. Now this is $5. Now I'm going to go to the shop page and look at some of the items that we have. So when you go to shop page and you scroll down, you have here to navigate the different pages here. You can accept cookie if you want to easily find your items in the search engine. And here we have the different items here. So you see we do have items for $20, and by the time you do some referrals and you access our spin wheel, you will also get to navigate and cash out with your wallet, your wish list. So if you see something and you like it, you can add it to your wish list. If we see a certain amount of item on your wish list and see you're not shopping, and we want you to buy, we might add something like a coupon discount to your email. If we notice that you add something to your wish list, we might add something. Just let us know what you like. So wish list is very important because it will give us an idea of the things that you like even if you didn't buy it. And then depends on what you have in your wish list. If we're having a massive sale, we will contact you and offer you a special discount. So it's good to make wish lists. And as you can see, we not only sell clothes, we sell accessories and makeup, but our main line is clothes and all the latest trendy fashion that you can find online. If you are new to this site and if you're also new to the YouTube video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Leave your email in the comment section to win a coupon. You can use that coupon to give to somebody for the holiday. You can also use it to shop with the extra $5 that you will be getting. We are going to choose a lucky winner and give a coupon to that person, and you might just be that lucky winner. So go ahead and leave your email. If you don't want to leave your email in the comment section, you can go to the about section on the YouTube page or in the side page and send us your email. Let us know that you watched the video, you like the fashion. That's all you have to do, and you would like to shop. And basically that's it. Merry Christmas from Alikare and shop, and we will love to put a smile on your face by delivering your item to you as fast as possible.